Hey, my name is Johnny. I'm with the Woodcrafters Shop. This is a product that we make. We made some of these the other day with my grandchildren. What we do, this is walnut, this is cherry. We let them cut this out on the table saw. You'll see this in the videos. Then we put it all together with glue. Now this one here is not nailed, but this one is 100% glued, but all of theirs have 8 nails in them. The reason we do that is we clamp it together, put 2 nails in each corner to hold it together so they can go ahead and finish it, sand it, everything else. This one here has no nails in it. So yesterday, you'll see our video where we run the truck up on this. That's a 10,000 pound truck, so if you figure just 2,500 pounds for each wheel, that was 2,500 pounds that ran up on that. You can see the black mark right there where it ran up, where the tire ran up on it and rolled back off. There's not a crack, there's no joints coming apart, there's not anything at all with this one here. I mean, it's still just as solid as it was the day we built it. So we offer a kit that you can build these with your children. You know, maybe your grandkids, maybe your children. On the weekend when you're not doing anything, you can sit and talk to your kids as you're putting this together. It really becomes a nice time to be able to spend with your family without a television running or videos running or something like that, but just sitting there, kind of like putting a puzzle together. These just tap together, then you take a clamp them twice, and put glue on them. You know, they stay together. They will not come apart. The good thing about this is, then this becomes like an heirloom type deal because you can't tear it up. So your kids can pass it down to their kids. They can take it to college. They can put everything in the world in it. My grandson puts Princess Peach in there, his favorite person on Mario. So he puts all kinds of his things he wants to hang on to and treasures, he puts them in it. But let it be an heirloom that you can pass it down to your kids. They can pass it down to their kids, and it's just something fun. So when they look up, they see that box sitting on their shelf, they're not thinking about that box. They're thinking about the great time they had with Pawpaw when they were sitting there talking with him, building this box, or their dad, or their mom, or their sister. You know, this is something that's very easy to do, so it doesn't take any skill to do that. And it can start you on a path of woodworking. It can start your children on a path of woodworking. So give us a shout there, give us a look and see what you think about us. But this was totally ran over with the truck without absolutely a scratch. The only thing is, you can see we did it on the road out there in front of my house, so you can see where some rocks had kind of put dents in the bottom. Other than that, perfectly fine. Thank you.